A storage container for oil is in the shape of a cylinder with a diameter of 10 feet and a height of 17 feet. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the storage container in cubic feet? Alright, first thing I'm going to do is, let's go and find the formula first. So we want the volume of a cylinder. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my formula card. We're looking for the volume section. Okay, there's volume. And now we're looking for a cylinder. So here is my volume, the formula for volume of a cylinder. Okay, so we're going to go back to our problem. The formula that we're going to be using is V is equal to capital B times H. Now before I start filling this in, let me just do my drawing. I like to visualize it. So they tell me I have a cylinder, so I'm going to draw my cylinder. My measurements, it says I have a diameter of 10, so that means my 10 is going all the way across. Diameter goes all the way across, and my height of 17. Okay, so now I can start plugging things in if I want to. Okay, here where it says capital B, the capital B stands for the area of the base. Now, the thing that goes into the area of the base, it all depends on the shape you have on the floor. On a cylinder, we have a circle on the floor. So what that means is I'm going to have to go back to my formula card and look for the area of a circle. So we go to our formula card. We're looking for the area section this time. Here's my area. Area of a circle will be pi r squared. So that will be taking place of the capital B. That will take the place of capital B. So here we go. So capital B, we said, will now be pi r squared. And the only thing I have to use now is just the h. Bring that down. So here's my final formula. So we're going to go and plug it in. They tell me to use pi. So my pi is going to be 3.14. They tell me to plug in the radius. Now here you have to be careful. The radius is half of your circle. That's your radius. Here they gave me a 10, but it goes all the way across. That's diameter. So I can't use a 10. I want to cut that 10 in half. So when I cut it in half, my radius is going to be 5. So I'm going to have 5. I'm going to bring down my second power, bring down my height. Height was 17. So this is a problem I'm going to work out. 3.14 times 5 to the second power times 17. Okay, so now we're ready for the calculator. So we'll go to our calculator. Okay, here, let me do control new so you can start fresh. Okay, we want the regular calculator, and we just type in that problem. So it was 3.14 times 5 to the second power times 17. So let's double check it. 3.14 times 5 squared times 17. Click enter. My answer is 1334.5. So let's go back to our problem. The answer was 1334.5. Looking at my choices, the correct answer will be letter G.